I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the.
Hey y'all, today we're doing a little get ready with me, something really simple. I'm about to head out. And as you can see from the background, I'm not at my place, I am at home. So that means very limited makeup, but I want to go for something very glowy, something very chilled, something that I can do very quickly. So to start off, I have to tame my brows because they look crazy. Okay, so I have my razor, but I need to kind of disinfect it, because not disinfect, just need to wipe it down because it was in my toiletry bag. So I'm going to use witch hazel. I'm out of rubbing alcohol, so I'm guessing this will get the job done. I don't know. And usually when I shave my face, I also use, how cute is this? I got this from PR, from La Roche-Posay, but now it's like my official toilet bag. Usually I use a serum that is hydrating and glides over my skin, so I'm going to use this. It actually rubbed off, but this is the travel size for the Fenty Fat Water. I have a full bottle, so every time I go somewhere I just put it in the smaller one. I'm gonna need too gooey. And I'm just going to spread it out and then put some on my eyebrows. Okay, brush them out first, but okay. I don't want to do too much because I am notorious for effing up my eyebrows, and I'm not in the mood to do that today. Oh, I just feel like my face looks so much better every time I do my eyebrows. If my eyebrows are not done and my face is not shaved, I look insane, to say the least. I don't like to make them too skinny, but I think this is a good size. Let me go do these ones and then I'm gonna be right back. That is a lot of hair. That is a lot of hair. Just going to dust like a cotton bud, well, a cotton pad with witch hazel, and I'm just going to wipe my face just for excess hair and dead skin and stuff. Now we can get into the good stuff. I usually go in with the Skechers primer. It has vitamin C and it's very glowy, very hydrating, and because it's winter, my skin is just drier than normal, so I find that this is just so good on my skin. And then, just to hide my marks, I'm going to go in with an oldie but a goodie. I got the LA GoPro concealer again in the color Fawn, because I remembered how good it worked, and I don't know why I stopped using it. Because I got onto the Maybelline HV1, but this is so good. So I go in and just cover my spot, and then I'm just going to let it sit. And while I let it sit, I'm going to go on and do my eyebrows. I like to go in with the Gots to Be edge. I think it's called the Asian brow. This little thing that has like the spoolie. Why did I close it so tight? And then I like to just scrape it off. One thing about like my eyebrows, they don't really change even when I do like a no makeup look, but I just like to have them just kind of like doing their own thing. I don't know, I don't really like the boxy type brows anymore, so I'm just going to brush them up. I'm not even going to fill them in because I feel like it's enough hair, man. Like, I don't need to have super structured eyebrows, especially when it's like a look where I'm not going to be heavily done up. I just like to have just, you know, a little zoo, you know. And obviously my favorite brush, this is what I usually go in and blend everything with. I think we can blend now, so I'm just trying to keep everything where it is, and I'm just going to go like that. You see how it just like blends into my skin and it's not doing too much? That's what I need. It's during the day. I don't need to be done up. I mean, who doesn't have like marks on their face? So I'm not really bothered when they kind of like peek through. So I'm just going to blend it in, and also this. So with this, I don't really take a lot like directly under my eye where I crease. I just kind of put it right there, and then whatever is left is what I'm gonna go in underneath. Because also I'm not doing setting powder, and if I put on a lot of concealer under my eye directly, it's gonna crease and I'm gonna end up looking crazy. And my hair already made me suffer today. I don't have time for that. I do not have time for that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do just a little tiny baby amount of blush, because I love this blush so much. This is the Catrice Blush Affair liquid blush in the color 010 Pink Feelings. You just gotta shake it up real good. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit, just like the smallest amount, on the very tops of my cheeks. And then I'm going to just buff it out. It's kind of difficult doing my makeup at home because I don't have a small mirror. I don't know why I haven't bought a small mirror that's like directly in front of me. So like most of the time I can't even really see what I'm doing. But I don't really like makeup when I'm home, so it's fine. Like you see, even this peeking through, I don't mind it. I just feel like the redness in my face and just me not looking awake is what I cannot deal with. That is so beautiful, subtle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go into powder. So for powder, I use 3 powders, and the first one that I'm gonna go in with is this one. It's a little bit lighter. It's the Maybelline Superstay. I want to make sure I'm using the right brush. I'm gonna go in and just pack it under my eye, just to make sure we don't crease, and just to add a little bit of brightness too. See to my chin. I might be wrong, but I would think this is how like models do the makeup, like not too much, but maybe they do like add tinted moisturizer, but today I was not in the mood for that, so I'm not even gonna bother. And then I'm going to go in with this darker one from Catrice. This is the HD Matte Powder Foundation. If I can find, okay, here it is. And I'm going to go in with this angled brush. And I'm just going to bronze my face up because it's looking a little dead. A little bit on my nose and take it up into my brows. To use another Catrice one, this is the All Matte Plus Shine Control, and I'm going to use this big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put it everywhere, literally, because I want to also like marry everything together so nothing looks harsh. And it even works better when your brushes are a little bit dirty. I don't know the science behind that. And yeah, and then for blush, this is the Makeup Revolution Duo Blush and Highlighter. I'm gonna take the blush side and I am going to do the smallest amount because this is so pigmented, and I usually do like pink blush. Why are my devices going off? I usually do pink blush, but I'm feeling orange today, but I don't want to do like a lot, and I feel orange actually looks, especially for people of my skin color, it looks the most, what's the word, natural. And I'm gonna put some on like the tip of my nose too. And then we are going to go with the Catrice Oil Control Matte Fixing Spray, because is this finished? Hold on. We have backup. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Clearly I like matte fixing sprays, and I'm just going to let that dry down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with these little like cushion things, and I'm just going to press it into my skin. We're going to go in and highlight. I'm going to use the same palette from Revolution, and I'm just going to use like the tip of this brush just so the highlighter doesn't get everywhere. Yeah, and I like to just drag it until like just the center of my cheek right there, not a tiny bit. Let me just take this and kind of fix that, because that is a crazy amount. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, and after that I'm going to take, this is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and I just love mascara on like my top lashes, not the bottom ones. Please give me the glamour spray inside there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Why are you?
No. You come.
Hmm? You don't know what it is, ne?
Yes.
You cut your hair. Ah!
Maybe we will get on steam.
No, nigga. The fuck? haircut.
My what?
Now that you look human,
My what?
your little haircut.
What haircut?
If not, here's a cut. I'm literally gonna like have a bitch fit. Ooh, Let's comb this out. It doesn't look bad. I really thought my hair was gonna be like really bad today, but thank God. I'm afraid I ate. I am okay. Maybe okay. Maybe not this side, but this side. I'm afraid Uguti. I definitely ate. It's like kind of it's not giving what it's supposed to give, but we will forgive it. It's the lips, and this is the Catrice. I think it's a lip liner. It's an Optic brown chalk. Oh, and I just like to line my lips. A plumping lip oil. This is from Woolworths Beauty. I love these so much. The fact that my lips look so much better when they are plump. Today, my hair actually came out so cute. Yeah.